You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is public report representing for you. And you don't know the things say family me say. You know what I mean? And when it comes down to, you know what I mean, dropping these contents and the support and the love I'm gonna get from everybody, yo, I highly appreciate it. Trust me. For the ones that just a check in, just a follow the movement and just a be a part of the whole family, welcome on board. You know what I mean? You hear me say, welcome. You know what I mean? For the, oh my God, man, the long timers, the day oneers, you know what I mean? Highly appreciate, you know what I mean? And, thanks for being a part of the journey thus far. And trust me, words can't explain, you know what I mean? But yeah, this morning, let me tell you a little story. I'm there, I want, what you call it, library. And one brother say, yo, you didn't public report to this a reach me. So all right, you are going. I'm gonna try a thing now. See that? Let Z ship it. The shop, you shop, we ship. So them say, let Z ship it. I'm gonna leave everything else because maybe me not say it properly because sometimes my tongue, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? So let Z ship it. It's low affordable rates, air and ocean freight shipment. You know what I mean? Them ship barrel, you know that it's the time I know. You know, if people want to ship barrel at a reasonable price, you know what I mean? Online shopping and all them something there. Them offer free personalized US mailing and all them. So, hey, trust me. I wanted you to check it out. I'm gonna leave the information right here so you can see it and support, you know what I mean? Cause you don't know, sometimes you have to help who help you and even help who not help you cause left it in the atmosphere. You know what I mean? So yeah man, back to the movie now. This one is called Baby Father Drama. You know what I mean? This is episode 1. And based on how I say what I say, then me know if we do episode 2. You know what I mean? But yeah man, check it out. Tell me what you think. Who can relate? Let me know.
You subscribe yet?
Forgive me, I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me, I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me, I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me, you know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
Hi, Quan. Come give me a hug.
Teacher can? How about that? Alright. See mommy, how about mommy?
Oh. So, go on your daddy then. Go on your daddy.
So, you still want to stay with grandma?
Yeah.
How about the grandma?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Give me lunch in. Give me bag.
You know me lunch, bro. So how was school today?
Alright.
It was alright? Lord have mercy. Alright, come on. So you get stickers? How much stickers you got?
One.
You got 1 sticker?
Yeah.
So you do good at school, man.
Bongo! Bongo! Come here, man. Come here. I mean, I understand this. How will look Rasta man there?
Aleko.
Bongo!
Babe, so make you go answer.
Me not understand this, you know.
We don't understand.
This now go work between me and you.
How was the day? Not even hug, not even, you go on the road. At this year still you go do? $10,000. $10,000 and you a puff you gonna do.
I'm here, I worry about.
Me not worry about you, me worry about the money you tell me
I'm
you trick me.
here, you worry about.
I'm not here, Mama Sita. It's just the fact say you trick me with the money and you tell me say what? At 10,000 you want for the year, you gonna do here.
Yeah, Mama Sita.
Eh?
Want some Papa Sita lick, but Mama Sita.
So what? So make you call me in the kitchen, what?
Anyways, to be honest, this now go work between
You
me
say
and
this
you.
already, man.
You see the drama lifestyle you depend, me don't depend it.
What mean the funny?
Listen to me, you see, I go on you for left and right or so.
No, sir, it's not coming like a joke. Left and right is like, yes, sir. Me go in the room. Yeah, come here, go in the room. Come here, go in there. Boy, you just stubborn to
If
be.
you touch me again,
What mean touch you again?
you want uppercut.
What make you keep on bring that something to me? Yo, yeah.
Listen
Every
to
time
me.
you come here, you have problem with something where you find out that you feel calm your mind and relax your mind, you know. Your mind needs to be at ease. Eh? What you do with that?
Listen to me, Bongo. You see, all the way you do me don't deserve it. All my friends tell me say me deserve better.
Which friend that? That short girl, eh?
Hey, don't do that.
A short girl,
Short one.
Eh? No, I say it, I'm not say it because you're going to vex me.
No, you have to say it.
No, I'm not say it now.
I
Let's
say
be
it.
alone. Ugly girl, let me say. You're short, ugly girl.
You take a look for yourself before you
What
call
means
my
to
friend
take a look?
ugly.
Hey,
You're ugly, so
listen me, I
me
say.
could have never favor you.
What means to could never feel me? Where you come with now? Eh?
You know what me I say? Me tired of this now. Me not deserve this wagwan.
You're fine, man. You're fine, man.
Which man you talk about?
Me check your phone.
Me go in your phone and me see woman a send you naked picture and you send them fear parts. And that me come about.
So it's just like porn. It's not like me and them involved.
What?
It's just like watching porn.
What you said to me?
So
What you said to me?
yeah, it's nothing. It's not nothing. It's what? Me no meet them. Me no see them. So it make it sound like say a problem if me have some people who are, you know, who we share that kind of moment with. Nobody no perfect. That's my fault. Right now, I need some loving. Where you
Go
go?
on where you go. Go on. Me a free my mind. Go on where you go.
What means to go on? Me not go know where you say. Alright, listen me, I say. What you think can fix all of this? Me give 20,000 now. What you say?
Oh, me love money, but not so.
When you love money, so.
Me love money, but not so. 20,000, you're sick, man. What 20,000 can do?
25.
No.
30.
Mm-mm.
Can't pay rent if I say 40. What you say?
We're done. It's over.
Every time you say it's over. So
Go.
this time,
It's over.
So this time you feel say real? Alright, give me till tomorrow then. Yeah?
Alright, sir. It's alright. It's alright. Remember what I'm finding your phone?
Pinky,
Oi!
wagahan.
Come in, Miguel.
Ano yan, do?
I'll step on your phone. Where you going with?
Hindi ya. Sa mga kong giyaling, you know?
Girl. I'm stressed out. Me not understand dirty bongo him. Me not understand why him a do me this, girl. You know I'm find a bongo phone?
Where you find na bongo phone?
Naked picture. The girl send him one naked picture and him send back film parts.
Yeah.
And how him a tell the girl about me dying for everything going with me and you.
You're too lying.
Who's too like, girl?
You know, listen, your bongo not gonna work out none at all. Because bongo is a dog, is a cheater. No matter how much chance you give him, he will go back out there to different woman again. And so you left this one where you find out with, and so you go to somebody else. And you have to know where you want still, you know. But, I tell you what to do. And you need to do what you have to do.
Him have to go. Him have to go left the yard there. Him have to left this yard there.
So where him there now?
And me bring the baby, you know. And me bring my son, you know.
I'm glad you know say you bring him.
For 5 years now in the land and me bring him. So if he ever take it to court, he might lose. And me are the woman in this. Oh.
And you have to take care of your pitney and stuff. Why, sister girl, to tell her the truth, it's rough. So, how you finding your phone?
Alright. The little drunk cross deep. I'm using finger. Hey. Fingerprint.
I can't believe this.
And you
So
see,
really have them the message there now?
watch you eat that now. When me lift up your finger, kind of sleep, you know. Watch him now. Like him at turn. Me just take time go so.
Yeah.
And go in our bathroom with the phone. Girl, when me see him nearly drop down.
No, you have to go down today.
Body come down nearly take me same time. Me not tell no lie, my friend.
No, you have to go down. Make him go on, man. Make him go on. If you are not to give baby, make him carry come. Or meet him out the road and take it from him. But, it not gonna work out. Every day you am left, you know. Every day you am left on the gamba.
Yeah, but me serious now. For you see me right, that's why I'm the talk about this. I can see something very serious right now.
Well,
me serious.
you got to do what
Right
you
now,
got to do.
my son gone to school, you know.
You know, so you got to school, you not go there. But it's rough. He need to change. Well, the same, a man like him can't change.
Anyways, enough boy him. I'm just get sad every time I talk about him. What going for you and for your man?
We good, you know. You know, so we alright. We are normal free.
Oh, that's nice.
But,
Anyways, do
but I forgot to talk to him to talk to his friend. Can I remember saying to one of my friends, you know?
Talk to who? No. Don't tell him to talk to him.
Make it on.
Make it stay.
Alright.
Because when he left this house, I know God go send one good man in my life.
True.
Oh.
God always make a
So
way.
make him stay. A cheater will always be a
cheater.
okay. Yes.
Anyway, you know, I don't offer drink. I'm kind of thirsty and the sun hot. You know, far me I walk from.
Orange juice in our fridge.
So nothing there for eat.
So nothing there for eat. I go walk up on the road.
Well, so where him there?
I don't know where dog gone.
Boy, rough. Anyway, I'm going to the kitchen for something.
I hope you not take my car and go with it. Because I feel him one day already. And he love take one my things and go with the 2 key them. Tell me what can go so.
But you know why you go nowhere? Kind of insecure. Kind of know what him a do. Anyway, I'm never want to over your yard. I go over my yard later.
Alright, we link.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm there wait for you? You know what I'm waiting for you?
Where you there, so?
What you mean so me are there so?
What the backside you there, so?
What you mean so me are there so? After you put me in the mood there.
Which mood?
When you picture them me send to you and you turn me on and it's something there so you feel like.
No, listen, I want just pleasure. It's like you watch a porn. Like you watch one adult something. That is it. You can't come to me yard. Where you come to me yard come to know?
All the missing thing that you see all the missing here, you want me go up there tell the baby mother.
Listen, you cannot do that. Why you would have want to do that now?
After you put me there in my mood yeah, and me come and look for you, no, you give me a yard, give me a yard.
Relax now. Alright, you are one. I was supposed to say, live same place?
Yes.
Which part that again?
Down the road.
Down the road. Alright, just go down the road. Me soon come. Give me about half an hour or something.
No chick me, you know.
Me not chick
Cause I
you.
love chick people.
Me not chick you. Just go on the man on top and...
You know, so me feel like no move, cause me know you stay.
But
I
you
love
know-
chick people.
I not trick me, I trick him. Alright, you are. Alright, since you want to confirm, tomorrow we organize. Me you text you though.
See, same
Don't
thing
call
again.
me. Me will call you. Yeah?
See, same thing
And
again.
no
Me I
matter-
tell you about.
Same thing like what? We are talk about tomorrow, man.
Make sure you know.
Yes.
Me I wait.
We talk. Yeah? Go on, man. Go on down, man. And don't come back down here.
Make sure say you call me, you know. Oh.
I'll call you. Who know where you're from?
Babe, wait till there.
Yeah, come there, babes. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Dear, me hear your cough.
It's something that choke me.
I feel better.
But alright.
You sure?
Yeah, but I want to talk to you now.
What happened?
You see your friend Bongo?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to him.
What do you mean what I'm doing?
Every time Pinky I find woman picture in her phone, he must send back picture to woman, different day. Every day them break up. I don't understand a friend.
Yeah, I'm Pinky, I chat and into that.
Yeah,
So you hear Bongo side of the story? Because you have to remember, you know, every story have three sides, you know. For them side, the other side, and the truth. So maybe we should just tell her how fair side look.
so we are trying to say Pinky tell lie on Bongo.
No, me not say nothing like that, but me I say maybe there's more to the story. But
Then that's why me come and talk to you for you go find out the next side of the story. If you come back and tell me, I will put 1 and 2 together to find out what really are going on. You understand what me I say?
I understand what you say. So Pinky feel about all of this, ah? You
Me
must
don't
feel.
Pinky say done this time.
No, that he must say from when. How we not sure saying done this at time, ah?
I don't know. That's what she said.
You believe her?
Yes, me believe her. I'm a friend. So anything she said goes.
Alright. I chat to Bongo, man. You can't do something like I think you're a nice girl too, you know.
Of course, my friend a nice girl. I played my girl feelings.
Good saying that. Don't go to treat the woman like how me treat you. I make breakfast for you, rub your foot, knock your back on your calf. I just laugh and can't talk, but I chat to him still.
Alright, do the right thing, man.
Alright, me wash up the plate, then here.
Yeah, go and get it. Thanks for the breakfast.
Alright, no problem. You finish?
No, no.
Alright, me wash up the plate then.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
What go on there?
Why pray? Me can't come in.
What you mean say they can't come in forward, man? Where you going with?
Once you're there, I'm there. I just stop by and I'll check up on you, though, bro.
For real, man. You know, say I vibe. So,
Yeah, everything good.
so far, so good. But, alright, you see, really and truly, I never me scratch a vehicle. You understand? So, you know, you understand the things I mean that.
Bro, low that alone. I that me come about differently.
You sure? Alright, so what go on?
You know what I'm saying? I mean, and my lady there talk to mine, bro, and she a tell me say she feel lady have a reason. I mean, I get to find out so I don't have some type of disagreement. I mean, you know, me just want to know how it go. You know, cause me like talk to you. You know, say a good youth, you know.
Alright, you are going on. Me nah go around the corner. Feel lady not like me, you know. She not like me. She call me ugly already, say me ugly.
No.
And I'm something here, she had diss me.
No,
Do
her
that.
uncle, she said, I hear never hear good. Can I respect you and her uncle, he say, he never say ugly.
But then again, me I say to myself, say, for me woman now I try to show me up in a one way if it's a boy. You know, because she finds something on my phone. Yes, I'm wrong for that, but
You know, so
me
that,
that like me, I link up with woman them. Me not see them. Me not link up with woman them and you know, vibe what I go on with film woman now. Me just don't like it, bro.
watch out, me not cut you, you know, but you know, see you're wrong. You see you're wrong, and you know, see you're wrong. I mean, me not tell you lie now. Whole heap of woman go through, you know, cause you can't like me back in my day. You know, so you do your thing, you know. Even if she not no proof, you know, you have enough. And right now, I feel like this all continue happen. Right now, where you on him cuss about?
Photo,
Woman.
well, me not link up yet.
Yes.
But
bro, you can't live your life, man, bro. You can't do that. You can't do that, man. See, they don't have youth for reason sitting there. You can't have you them and see you bring in one, or if they not directly see. Yeah, you
no, man, from the sun now that's that, man. But hear me, I say still. See?
Yes.
It's the base man how female woman, she just all over the place and just a create vibe where it's not necessary. I mean, I still say, so why she do that? But fear woman, my brother, I don't like when she just don't like me, bro.
No,
Every
man.
time, everything she talk about is the negative. And me can, brother, me say which day me I go down the road. And I feel my ears as a ring. And me I say, hello, cause you just understand what I'm going on. I'm reach up at the yard. See me woman say they up there I talk about the fact that me is a dirty man and rate. And even you, see me woman when I try to say, boy, I wonder if you are the same thing. I mean, I say, no, you is not the same thing.
So you don't know that, man.
Brother, yo, right now I don't know what to do now. Because she had time to left me house. Left the house because the whole drama with the whole facts and she find one thing that she can't take it no more.
I know I might be for left your house for sure.
Left
No,
her.
hold on, let me explain. Cause when you look on you know, but say she got on with the them, you know, and bro, it cussing no look good. Cussing no look, yeah man, you know. Bro, you fight like a man, you can't survive out this, you know. You know, say real cold, but you can't do it, you know.
You know how much money I spend on this bump and scout place, yeah? I mean, you bungo, you know. Me bungo my money and buy this. Me bungo my money and... Wait, you say me to do?
You can't make it back. If you spend 10 mil on the fridge, you can't make 20. You know you can't do it.
Oh, what the bungo thing? Hey, what you say to me, sir?
You listen to me, I say, you bet you come out, I was to show you, like, cussing no look good. Or if you don't want to come out one time, you can't take time and come out. Or take something now. You know, but come out of your house to show man, you don't look good. Rent now look a place, take some time for yourself.
Yeah, you say it again, rent and money, more money, you know.
But you're a fighter. Any money you spend, you can't make it back. You can't make it back more too.
So you say, left the place and gear.
You know, look, you know, look good, man. You know, you put me in ropes. So. I say, I know you get in a year, show me a couple of ropes and so. Me as a virgin must can chat to you and say, yo, do it right.
I left the place.
I promise.
Well, not today.
When?
Tomorrow also. Or maybe weekend.
Maybe weekend or tomorrow. You need to leave the place. Not even now, but right now.
No.
Right now. Start back now.
No, tomorrow. I'm better hurt me for go bash. You tomorrow.
Sure.
Yo, your respect.
What do you say about scratch card?
No man, everything good man. I just scratch card. There's some card I will scratch off and we try win some lot of card.
Money?
No money.
Money I can
Yeah man. Yeah man, respect. Yes sir. You know, maybe give us a week or 2 or 3. That's the turn out.
Yeah, girl. I tell about dirty bongo. Me sick and tired of them, girl. Me tired of them dirty behavior them. Him don't even have use. Him something even not stand up like Pinocchio nose. Nonsense.
Why? Me hate him naturally. He ugly.
Look here, me a your friend, but nobody gonna go when baby father ugly. Not do that.
I show your baby father ugly for true, you know?
Sophia man nice.
Of course.
When me and in the pan bad terms, don't tell me about baby father ugly. Oh, I'm me alone if you do that.
And bike. We are looking for a long time. What happened to him?
That's a
We
puppy.
gonna give him a chance in your life.
Oh, that's a puppy then.
Yes.
I
Give
know.
me a thought. What's
Uh,
her name?
yeah, you know, so me I think about it though. Me I
Yeah,
think
girl.
about it.
Give boy a chance, man. A long time I'm looking and I just know.
I'm not lie. But truly one in my life within dramas. And right now me can't take in drama. God know, it just a drain me. And when he
What you
come
like
in,
to play
he
at
just
man?
want soccer my body at night time. And that can't work. He never have use. You come in want to soccer my body and that can't work. Tell me what can go so? Eh?
Oh,
When me want
Jesus.
it, me can't get it.
Hey, on phone
And
life
when
are
him in
really
the mood,
drama,
me
you
no
know?
want it, eh?
Phone life are really drama.
Oh.
Big drama.
Mm. Anyways, me I consider about the youth they do, you know.
Yeah, man, I right thing, man.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, babe, I want to talk to you.
Me soon talk to her.
You want to talk to your piece of broke down, man.
Girls, get up and speak and yeah. Girl, I still did it later.
I'm smoking in the room. Hmm?
You
I
see
ask
me
you
a
a question
smoke.
if I smoke, you smoke in
You
the
see
room.
me a smoke. How your problem? How your problem? You not start packet.
I see your bossy. I see your bossy and brave. Eh? Put on a lipstick like it, like. I already plan to go with your friend, not true? Because I know how he and she when I talk.
That not concern you.
That not concern me, not true?
That not concern you.
I'm going to leave your place. And
When they send woman picture, you know say concern me.
You're going back this again. You know, hear me say what again? Because you just a chat. And that I feel problem with chattings. I'm going to leave your place and give you.
Yeah, left.
Yes.
Come here help your pack. Where back
No,
then?
man, you have to help me pack. Me good. Me can pack myself. Me not handicap.
Hey,
Sure.
thank you God. Yeah, listen to me prayer. Go on, no. Go
You have
on.
one permanent smile on your face. Thank you, guys.
Because me happy, me supposed to happy. Me supposed to have one smile on my face.
So you're happy because your baby father have left
Yeah.
this house. You're happy to break up your home. Your happy home.
Yes, after John gonna job breaks in my face. You know, see me alright. When you gone, one next one ban. So what is the problem? You think when I gone, me go sit down and stress and say, oh, baby father, come back. Fast as me put you through the door. Bo. So this is coming every time I say, yeah, go away.
You're happy, man.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Answer to me prayer. Thank you, God.
If you look, it's me that abusive person. Because right now, I just things me I think about to do. And that me I tell you right now. Me just don't want to move right now.
No, lick me bongo, lick me.
Me never say me a lick
Lick
you.
me bongo.
Me never say me a lick you. But me say me I think about things in my head. Why that I first thing come to your
Me
brain?
say bongo, lick me bongo, lick me. Lick me. See me face, yeah. Come. Box me on my face.
I kiss me if you kiss you.
Eh.
Nah,
You
kiss
should
you
have
though.
make your mouth reach for my jaw while I saw me do you.
Me know that I kiss. Because I can't buy no crab. All of my body crab like a puss me there with. Eh? Me can't bother with that. You just bringle. Me name bongo in them bringle. Eh? No, that's what, yo, I me say, I'm going to leave the place and give you. So you
Okay,
can
God.
do what you do, but know how
Okay,
certain
God.
things are going to work out. You understand? I not send no money come here. So you better know, say, upon them terms, I not give you nothing.
What you say?
Miss.
What you say? You not saying walk. I come like a joke.
Where you grab me? Where you grab
You
me
realize
for?
how me a smile
Yeah, but where you
so
grab
you
me
come
for?
in.
So where you go so
You think so
angry?
this a smile when me I do? As some of you play around.
Me I tell you, say, if you cut off everything from me, understand me, I cut off everything from you. You have to start over, you know.
You know say you're mad.
Everything.
You know say you're mad.
Eh?
What you mean by when you're gone? You not send nothing come.
Me not say nothing come, that me I tell you.
So.
Me done with you, me cut you off like you're like a DOE, no, DEA, no, dead.
So what go happen to Kwan?
Me don't know what happened to him. Yeah, I have to take care of him. So you just,
Come out. Come out.
you see me I talk about?
Come
You see me I
out.
talk about?
Where things in there? Come out.
It's,
Come out.
me not ready to come out yet. Me not ready to come out yet. So me know what you gonna do.
Come out of my house.
Come out of the shop. Yeah, for your house, what me been? Girl, let me say, yo, please, me not fight you. Me not fight you. Hey, girl, come on, me not fight you. Hey, alright, me left.
Come out.
You can't, you're just weak.
Who weak?
Minky, that's what you're not far from lock up a place. Where you say emergency be now? Because what do you?
Girl, me no business boy if place wanna lock up, you know. Oh.
Somebody dead for you?
Hmm?
Somebody dead for you?
If I did that, go on, it would do so bad. Girl,
Oh.
Bongo life.
Congratulations, man, I right thing.
And he
So
say,
you're sad for?
and he say he not send no more money come give me. And he stop take care of his son. How?
One more Puppy Dan. Puppy Dan have a small business, you know. First start talk to your man, the man go have to run money. You understand what I say? So stop going like an idiot and text your man.
But what go happen when my son not see him father?
Tell your son say father gonna foreign. When you come from a foreign, you see
That the
father.
opinion not take bullshit, so I know what you talk about.
Well, if father gone, if I can't tell a son that, then I don't know where to go tell him say. Because, but Bongo a dirty man, you know. So Bongo means say him not give pitney nothing. And look how pitney favor him even though Bongo ugly. And look how boy nice.
Don't do that. Me put no favor Bongo and me in favor.
Rough. Girl, cheer up yourself and text him, man. I talk down like you either. Come, put in a password. Come. Let me text him first. Hi, I think you want send see message send the coming soon text her back. Talk down like you either. Has one gone and next one born. You never hear that?
Me hear, but me there say it.
Cheer
But
up yourself, man.
me say it, but me don't know if me ready for it.
Girl, you're ready from the first time Bongo start cheat. Listen. Cheer up yourself, man.
Your papa me close off for me.
You want rum?
Go for your rum, me
You
like.
want craving here?
Go for your, me no want to crave me, but go for your
You
rum.
want rum? Give me money, I'm gonna buy you.
Me broke.
It's about gonna take $500
I joke me I make broke way must say I idiot. Oh, anyways, we left off of that right now. Me see
You're
if,
happy now?
yeah, me see if
you
Puppy
come
Dan
to your
text back.
senses. Hurry up, Angie. Look how fast the man text back. And them man that you feel with. Them man that will respect you. Bongo no respect you. Come, text back, man.
Go send him a voice note.
We're going to voice note, man.
Tell him if you can give me a link.
Yeah, which is right.
Hello. Come and give me a link.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shh, in my car. Hello? Me there here.
Where are you, Nadia?
No, me just stay here. I go on easy.
Well, it's raining and really I don't much work to this, so I wonder if we could just link up and...
Yes. Come over.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. Go on your yard. The man a come.
After me come over, you can't cheer up now. Two man a come here and me got me Bongo, I wanna see you now later.
Dirty Bongo gone. I what could have sweet myself? Hey, I didn't want to go destruction in my life, you know. Crosses, you know. Eh? Pull up on my son bicycle and he sit them over there so. But this me really has stress over Dirty Bongo. Nonsense.
Pinky,
Yes? Come inside.
what's up?
Hi. Oh, me hurt.
Why? Me just feel out here right now, like, me just feel so nervous. Me feel wonder if I dream, me a dream. Me feel tell my virgins if they shot me a box for night time, cause when you see message come in, me I wonder say if I me if you get that the message yet. Me never expect it.
So you shut your box with you?
Yeah, you shot me a box, cause me I tell you say me feel like say a dream,
Oh my. Let me see your face.
You good man.
You good?
Yeah man, you make me heart skip a beat around 50 times, I tell you the truth. I feel like say I saw cartel fees still in lockdown for 13 years and come out and I just don't feel. Just feel excited.
So, tell me look about yourself now.
Well, as I know, I'm a business person. You understand me, I have a little business.
What kind of business you run?
Well, you know, say it's a little restaurant still. You understand? And I have a little bike, more I do a little delivery also.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Well, as I can see, you see kids stuff there, so though, I have one son.
Well, that's not really a problem, because you know, say, me, so when me in a relationship, I make sure say my woman good. You understand? You know, say me I go stand responsible to same way for your youth. Because me not get no youth as yet. Long time me if you have a connection like a Wi-Fi.
Like a Wi-Fi. Eh? So Wi-Fi alone only pick up?
No,
Eh?
Wi-Fi alone.
Oh.
Hotspot weak man. Wi-Fi
Well,
get a better connection.
as I know, I come out of a relationship right now. My baby father, you not going good. You not going good at all. But me not really want to tell away my day enough you can't do the same thing, so just left that there so.
Well, me not go tell you say, me and him and I see me just want to prove you wrong.
Okay.
Because they always say when man say that, them always come do that too, so.
No,
just
the
want to
worst
prove you
too.
wrong. Exactly, so me just want to prove you wrong.
Anyways, yeah, you know what I want to drink, you know.
Yeah man, no problem man. Where you having this?
Orange juice. So orange juice.
Yeah. Take some orange juice. Yeah, just a glass sweet.
Thank you.
Just like we're gorgeous, you know?
I need to, you know, you must have energy to care of.
You know this. If me talk and everything go right, you know, say you're responsible for the business, you know. Because you know, say me can't have a woman. I understand and I'm sure 100 same way. You know, say me can go and deal with something, you will left in charge.
Me I run one business there, you know.
What kind of business?
I sell clothes here and there, something there, so. And I like to pick up one woman when I work.
Well,
I'm full of ambition.
You know, can also invest in it also. You know, so we have to do this for one another, right?
Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, that makes sense. You have a partner who now motivate you in a way you do and stand up and help you do what you do.
Well, my baby father was full of a drama.
Well, I really want to talk about it. Let him know the past and we the present. So, I don't know if you want to go just watch a one look movie and just kick back and relax.
Too fast. Slow down. So as fast as I enter the bedroom. Hey. Slow down now. We just have Take it at that time, okay? So,
No problem. I'm not for rush you, man. Rush you all this.
you're alright, differently though.
Yeah, man, alright, man. Well, funny thing, I have to deliver for David's there. Then I sent I have to go back down to the restaurant and I'll pick up the food and I'll make the delivery. So you eat already?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
For sure.
Alright, trust me.
Alright, if anything, you have my number, you call me or you text me.
Alright, I will.
Okay? And if you want Burger King, you can call me.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, later.
Alright, nice to meet you. Ride safe.
Alright, thank you.
Oi. Care about my cup.
Oh, sorry about that. You know, I just have my brain a little bit
Yeah, I
confused.
know. Alright, later.
Alright, baby.
Okay. Nice door. Dirty bongo. Hey, you just did.
Thanks.
Alright.
Yeah, we're good. We
Yeah.
just come over Pinky.
Over Pinky.
Yeah.
How gone over Pinky?
She said bongo gone.
Bongo gone? Yeah. So you're happy about that?
Of course, me happy because Pinky can do what she want to have a free mind. Oh, I saw you move like you know already.
And I really say no, babes, but remember somebody go over there and talk to Bongo, so me kind of have an idea what go on, and me and him be a reason. And I chat to you, bro, and tell him, so yo, it don't really make no sense. You stay in all of this, but I just jump out of the house and say, you know, Bongo tan. Bongo don't really want to listen. But he tell me say more or less, but I don't believe in him, because you know Bongo a liar.
Yeah.
So how Pinky take it? She happy about your side?
Yeah, she at first when we go over there she did a cry and stuff, but she get over it and now she not cry no more again.
Well, look, I can move on then.
Well, yeah, she can move on.
That's good.
Bongo do her a lot still, you know.
You know that must be a long time in this and Bongo I'm a boy now, but Bongo head not really dep on him body. Look like you all sense them in the locks. And he just a flash round, so he sense them just a flash round, yes, okay, so. So my time he head not really there, so but at least he pitting good still.
Bongo say not take care of Kwan.
What do you mean you not take care of Kwan?
He say not give Pinky nothing for your baby.
What do you mean by that? So what kind no man, you have to go in can't do that man, cause he got coat and lose if you not take care of it.
Yeah, man, I go back over them, I got Pinky to take care of him coat.
No, not tell him that. Tell him say more, threaten him say more carry him coat.
No, me tell her if he carry him coat.
No, please, you can't move like you don't like Bongo. Tell me true.
I
What do you mean
don't
you don't like him?
Bongo.
What make you not like him?
He ugly, he lie, he cheat, he everything now one. I don't like him.
Babes, you know say Bongo tell me say you tell him say ugly. I mean tell him say I lie him I tell.
If you believe him, cause that's true, he ugly bad.
You look funny in every day now, babes. I'm a friend still. I don't want to think God jail, but he just threaten him say him a go jail. Cause watch from Bongo hear about jail herself. Him a coward. Remember Bongo a fighter, but him a liar and him a coward. He can't survive in a prison. They are bigger man for Bongo. They beat out Bongo.
I don't then figure.
There's no bother with that, man.
And we go down there go learn lesson.
We not learn no
We
lesson.
go learn lesson.
What kind of lesson man can learn in a prison?
What if a lesson man can learn in prison? You can come the day.
There's no bother with that, man. Just chat to Pinky and tell him.
Yeah,
and me have to go reason back with Bongo too, cause he have to take care of youth. You them my future. We grow and hate him too if he not take care of him.
I feel this is the father that you want. You understand what I'm saying?
I mean, I feel good to hear this.
Hmm.
I feel good to hear this one. But you're not making God here, though, right?
Me, I know my pitney, a pink, if you know what she a do.
Yeah, but you must say I'm Pinky or so, so you can go in there and bring and convince him. What's like
Convince Pinky for.
send Bonga jail.
Convince Pinky to get the next man.
You convince him to get next one.
Yes.
Then me can't really say nothing about that. But
But
Bonga,
if Bongo figure jail, him a go jail, him a go down.
Pinky that.
Yeah, Pinky.
No, babe. The situation is rough.
Give me a minute. Hello? What you say?
You're not calling me.
Yeah, me a call link. Give me a minute. Me a talk.
When you're not calling me, you go with puppy.
Eh? Tomorrow I'm going to check your man. Just go and do your thing. Do your business with Poppy and tomorrow I'm calling you. Later.
Who name Puppy?
I want a businessman with Pinky. She has started up a small business.
You
So
have to tell me about it. I mean, I really know my girl business, but
Mhm.
I try to chat to Bongo still.
Yeah, man, I need to talk to Bongo.
Alright. I mean, I say I gotta take care of Pinky, you know.
Yeah, me always take care of Pinky and just don't
Yes,
take
if
care
you,
of
no,
Pinky.
me know I give him a man still, you can't talk to, but if you give him one, you have to give him a good man like a me, or rubbing shoulder.
Like are you? How can I talk that?
Like a, no, me as the man, but give him a man with like a me, who will rub your shoulder, rub your foot, massage you, be there with aisle, make you use my card, buy a chocolate. You know all these nice things in your life, baby.
Okay.
Alright.
In due time.
What an awesome day, nice at the time.
Mr. Babe,
You look tired, though.
yes, if you past few weeks, I'm not alone. I just feel so comfortable around you.
Well,
You know,
I better call a real man because I'm sure no say never. Hello? Sis, where is the sis? Sis, let me ask you one question. You feel like say I come broke us this? Yeah, my sister, you know, you can't just go down my business place and want name out the food every minute, you know. Alright, here I want to say, hold on, here now. I kind of want a little meeting at the moment, so may give back a call here. Sorry about that. Yeah, as I say, you tell me say you're comfortable around me and I feel comfortable around you too. You understand? So that for sure is so we have a real energy. You understand the thing? Connect.
yeah, so pick up back from me and say, no drama at the end of my life. I just feel, you know, like when you come out of one toxic relationship and then you're men back with somebody who just come out. But
I have
anyways,
something special for you as well.
when we go to bedroom. But anyways, my son, they don't have grandmother. And I don't know, I want him to meet her, you know, but I just take things slow. I don't know if you're serious or now, so
What do you mean by me serious?
I don't know if you're serious or now.
Of course I'm serious. Me look like me a run down joke.
Well, you soon meet him.
Me take things slow, man, but As I say, I have something here to feel.
My God, thank you. You know what? I'm ready for you.
Of course, I'm ready
Ready.
too.
You ready?
Yeah, the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
I love that.
We wanna chase the
Why we just so enough?
Tell us something can do your work, man. And I'm not rum chatting.
Say something big tall. Eh? Big tall.
Hold it.
No,
Do that,
I'm not expect nobody.
You're sure now your friend, your girl, best friend or something.
No.
So who could have come and knock on your door? Be?
Go check now.
How are the bongo jungle this?
I understand how I go. I don't know who could have come and knock on your door.
Check.
Hey boy, how are you doing in my yard?
Me?
You know me?
What me say me know you?
So what you doing?
Me I do fear yard? What mean me I do fear yard? Who you be? Who you be?
Hey, mean who me be? No
I
pinky
broke your
man.
pink. You a pinky man?
So you are who?
Pinky, who is a pinky?
Where are they?
Pinky, who is a pinky? Pinky, who is a?
Hey, you be before this. Make you know who me be, you know. Cause me mash up in here, you know.
Pinky, who is a pinky? Pinky, who is a pinky? Where is the mama?
Yo,
Eh? You must be special. Eh? Hey, boy, I'm body say bad.
what you have to do?
Let me say bongo boy.
Hey, hold me, you know. Hey, hold me, you know.
Hey, boy, knock on the head, my boy.
Bongo Bill now.
Eh? Hey, boy.
Watch out.
I know that.
Somebody
That's my
want
run
to
long step.
spill blood in my place.
All right. Which man that? A man a really care of me house. Eh? 2 weeks me gone, a man you want? It a scratch you? It a catch you, same thing. Our. Tell me what I go and explain to me.
Are you alone to kill up yourself now?
Let me say kill up myself.
Come out of my house. Come out of my
Me a come
house.
back to my house.
Come out of my house. Are you
Me
alone
nah
to kill up
come back.
yourself?
Me a come- me nah- me a come back.
Destruction! Crosses! Tribulations! Come out of my life!
A bike man you really take up? Bike man you really want? You like your scripts? Eh? You
Come out
can't
of my house.
believe it.
You come and lift up my shit off of my man. Let me take you and chop you with it.
Have my machine,
Come on, come on.
When is that come on? Where you with that going? Me not left that son. Where my son there?
Where
my
say
son there?
you not left?
Me not left. So anything what you do it for now. You say me, I'm never spill blood then.
My sister didn't set you.
Set me
Set
for
up
what?
on me.
I come for you. I'm a Mr. Girl. Eh? I'm a Mr. Hug me up, man. Hug me up. Hug me up, man. I'm a Mr. Girl.
Let me go.
Let me get you go. Where you smell, sir? Where you smell, sir?
Let me go.
How you smell, sir?
How me smell?
Smell like you just do it. You just me.
No, where you talk about? I can't believe somebody really did want answer on man. Really?
So you tell me say you do nothing at all.
Bongo, what your problem?
Pinky, me
Talk
want
to
come
me.
back,
What
no.
is your
Come
problem?
back. Want you back now. There's no way. Yo, who that man? Where he come from now? And him run around restaurant the road there. And him run around restaurant and me talk to you, Pinky, talk back to me, no, man. Yo, make it sound like me have to go crazy this place, man. I run the restaurant in the place there. Pinky, talk to me now. You don't talk now. You don't know mouth. Are you answer now?
Bongo, what you want?
Me want you back, and me now left until you confirm say me and you dead.
Want to back?
You me want back.
How would
And you
say?
have to tell me now say me you dead back right now. Me take 2 weeks to give you a break. Me no call your phone, me no stress you. Me know say you have your free time, your girlfriend them go out and them something then. Me back. And me want you back.
Must you feel like I'm afraid of you? Who says so?
I'm afraid of me.
Who says so?
Me, I tell you, say everything officers calm right now. So.
Who says so?
What you say, Adi? You give me back a chance?
No.
Well, me I move back in some, so we're gonna work it out in time. So come on.
Move back.
Come on.
Oh, where do you...
Me say, what do you teacher? Go round that side.
Hey.
Come.
Girl. One piece of something just going a while ago.
Where you talk about?
Bongo around there now.
Wrong.
Round there so.
You're too lunch.
Hold on there. You can come. You see them now?
What kind of drama?
Shh. Puppy Dan come here. Me and the man on the side here. You know, good services. And then, you know, you hear boom, 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 on the door. So I say, who that? Come in and expect say Bongo go. Come here, so. Him no go pull door. Bongo nearly kill him. Anyways, Bongo nearly kill me too, but me name but I dead. I laugh at Yes, girl. The man have to run out, left everything. Left his shirt, his phone, black. Piece of drama in my life.
Good drama this time.
Listen to me. Me I laugh, but I kind of laugh to me I laugh. Hello.
This all come, turn up yourself.
How where you go?
Bongo. You know hear me talk to you? You not hear me I say? Bongo, what you do here? What you do here?
You have a person if you come talk to me, you know.
Shut up. Listen to me. You think if you for how much years and she never cheat by you. But Bongo, every week, every day is a different woman, different drama.
I mean different woman, different drama. What you talk about? Me come in and see man shirt on my bed and man hat round there so man run out. You know run if you're not guilty. When police say freeze! What you do, freeze or you run?
You freeze.
You freeze, not true? Because you're not guilty.
Exactly.
But if you're guilty, what you do?
No bother with that. You know, say no behavior. We come in here fling people them. You need to go on.
What me need to go
You
on?
need to come out of house and give Pinky space. Listen to me. You did have Pinky. And you never did a treat her good.
Who never treat Pinky good?
Never know you side tail until they lose it. You need to go on.
No.
Yes.
I think so.
You
This
need
is
to
what?
go give her a space. Because listen to me.
Yeah, what counselor?
Me not
Yeah, what?
counselor, but a right thing.
Me not like you from man. You don't like me from man. If he's my listen to you.
You not have to listen to me.
Yeah, so when you
But
come in, you come talk.
on behalf of my friend.
On behalf. She went send you as a spokesperson. She hire you if you can't talk to me. She can't talk. She not a mouth. She can't talk to me because she not tell me self me to leave because she know me belong here.
You don't belong here. You don't belong here. You need to get up and leave now.
Alright.
Go on.
Answer me one question. Let's answer me because me have shame on my appearance.
Go straight to the
I
point.
know where, feelings and hurt can do. Can me feel hurt right now.
So Pinky never hurt yet?
Did I say she was not hurt because of what she found and her assumption about everything she said on my phone and all them something there? She thinks me I give her a bun and all them something there. Did I stutter? One breath. Alright, listen to me I say. The man was that youth there. You think they're serious because you and she are good friend?
No.
They're not serious?
No.
What you mean, so no? What so man do you? And I walk from room go around so.
Let me tell you. Then just come here and sit down and talk in the room, probably in big ad, so then turn on the fan and I talk.
So you went there?
I never there
and that she tell you?
know what I want.
You know what I want? All me I tell you say, me gonna know what I go on soon. But the youth, me I tell you, me go check him again. Me I see him. Cause him run the restaurant downstairs. Be able to sell.
Relax.
Who you tell to relax? Who you be?
Think you ever go to none of your woman them?
What you mean woman them?
You ever go to none of your
She
woman
can't see them cause of the people when me meet up.
Go on. Oh, you carry money for Gwan? You carry money for Gwan? You Pinky on the way out. Go on. Get up. Come on.
Don't touch me, you're mad. How dare you? Don't you dare do that.
You come like you're mad.
Me mad.
Or something.
You mad.
You think
We are
I'm
touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch me. Hey. I fight, you really want to fight? Girl.
Come out, I'm a friend. Oh.
You really come here to come fight me?
Get out. Come.
Me said don't. Alright, I'm gonna leave, but me leave on my own term. Don't touch me.
Go on then.
Give me 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
Me gonna left some money. Me gonna pick up some money and come back.
No, you're gonna kill me.
Left him money now for him.
I have no money for me.
See, come on. You say you're hungry. That's why you're hungry there in your back.
So you don't miss me?
Come on. Wanna? Excuse.
Just give me one kiss for you.
Give which kiss? Excuse. Nonsense, rubbish. This me a talk about, girl. A madman me there with. Me did there with.
I don't know where you pick up that man.
One dirty Rasta man. Yo, me say. Yo. You left me out. Left me out. Take up my phone and go on. Come, go on now. Right now.
Hey, and I'm shot now where you did that get
Sick
you
me sick now. Go on your yard. Go
Hello,
on.
and I'm shot now where you did
Me have to go call back my man now. Go on your yard. Go on.
And because you go like, you know.
Sick me sick right now, yeah? No, that I do run him over, but I never come in time.
Well,
Go.
never come in time.
When me nearly dead and nobody they never come. Go on. Go on now.
At least me reach him.
Go on.
He would have go bury your body.
Later me check your sis, love you.
You just look sad, serious.
If I tell her what happened to you, I can't believe.
What?
Me say your friend go over Pinky here today go create one big scene.
Who? Which friend that?
Who are your friend?
I can't bungo yata.
If you bongo me attack and nobody else. And
What?
where's the Pinky here?
What can I see? Me asking close the man in something.
No. Pinky one of her friend over there. And him come draw machete and spoon off a man. Yeah. So a man have to run out of the house, so me have to go over there and I tell him say Anna ask him what go on. He can just jump in and jump out as he feel like and tell him say he need to leave.
That's not right. So, you see him and the girl had nothing?
No, they never did that, do nothing. They just did their attack, but only thing him man did take off his shirt. He have on Marina do. Cause he saying hot so Pinky turn on the fan.
No, me understand what bungo I think about, you know, cause females, you know. Me not saying right, you know, cause you can't run down people with machete. Man, we pull out bigger machete and we lose the war. But, we man. That's not right. The picnic did they say that, not sure?
No, baby never did it, baby. Must have and granny. You know, say look boy love the grandmother.
Me I already know that. But,
Yes, so.
I feel good to know that, man. So Pinky say.
Pinky them mad out over there right now. You need to find Bongo anywhere in there and give him a serious start because he might get from bad to worse. He can just pop up on a girl place and he'll fling with stuff and all type of something and go on over a girl place.
God. I don't know what wrong with that man there, you know. What wrong with him? But
No, tell Pinky if you call police on him, me sorry for you.
no man, give him one chance. Everybody deserve one second chance.
He get 50 chance.
Give him 51. 51. God say you must
You know
forgive.
something I like your style, you're unfair.
I
You always a pick up for bongo.
No, babes, me I try to be fair. As me say bongo wrong, but the Pinky wrong to put man in a bongo house. Cause me say bongo bill, you know. And me tell him to come out, you know. So I so come when he see me more cuss me and I say, you see me I tell Daffy, tell him to come out of the house as me left him carrying man. And that him out tell me, you know. And then
So
me,
him name have woman. Eh?
I don't know about that.
You're not gonna know.
Babes, me just
You
try
never
to be
did
fair.
know, man.
No, but me and him know all them the reason there. Me hear say he get catch with woman 9 phone and me agree saying wrong there, so that's why I'm telling him say he must leave. That's why I'm telling him say he must
You
leave.
see, if you are one good man, mother say you come like bongo. But I true you're
Don't say that.
different.
Don't say me one good man. I'm the best man.
Yeah.
I'm the best man. That's why you can't say me come like bongo.
Ah.
I'm gonna chat to him still, cause you know like that.
And when do you need to find him and go talk to him?
I want to refer me. I'll go call him. Give him a call.
Yes.
Alright, I'm just gonna cash it for you.
Ah.
Bro, I pray.
I'm not there, man.
Come here, sir.
Yo, that's what I tell you. Thing just set away, bro. Remember me tell you, you know, cause I'm feeling mash up things, bro. Like this a woman I contempt for idiot when me invest everything in him. Me invest everything. But me say what really happen? Woman, a man she have.
Let me give you something.
You mean say I'm gonna go see man, brother? You know one brother who have one restaurant down the road there. Named Poppy Dan. Yes, man.
Shot you.
Shot stuck it dirty, man.
No, say man, not sure you're upset. Might be man who must say, but you can't upset like that. I know you're a woman again, bro.
You sure some? What you mean say, yo, I'm your baby father?
Yeah, but that's a baby father, bro.
So what that mean?
That means say, she are your baby mother.
Yeah, my boss.
And you are baby father. But relationship is no more. Remember, say you move out of the house, you know.
Alright, listen to me, I say. What you mean say move it out? Move it out? Me ask, come out to bump on that. What me bill? Bro. Me bill that and you say me move out of it. Me just give her some time. Yo, just watch you think drama start yet?
What do you mean drama
you
started?
Feel say drama started?
So what do you mean by that?
What you mean say what me mean by that? You go hear about it on news. Bongo. Because if that the boy feel like he can go back and me had a problem.
Bongo,
I mean him bongo. I mean no bongo wrong. You understand me I say?
That's your problem, you know. Listen to me I say no. I quote they want to carry out. They want to send you to jail.
Send me to jail?
Bongo, me and you know say you're coward.
No, hold on. So, them type of jail for you?
Well, at the prison, actually, you know, me beg. I go down, for me. You know, me I talk about, come here, I say them words, but you know what me do? I beg him, say, please, feel me baby, feel me wife, or someone to be baby mother. I say, please, talk to Pinky.
So you finally go left the girl in here.
My bill, man,
I some 2 times baby mother, but even though that woman there, you know, I want next one, you know. You know, woman come into the place when me in there now and I tell me say me if you come out. I want fight me out of my own place.
Pinky.
No, fear woman. Yes, because she Pinky go call her now say me did it. And when Pinky call her say me did it now, the woman a fight me.
Oh man, you didn't tell me that neither.
Woman not tell the full story. You think they go tell the for them side. And then go ball and give that emotion why you know some man can't do it out. Because no man don't want to see a pretty face cry.
No, like I tell you about. Alright. Me I go ask you as my friend. You me I talk to. Me no business about over there so. The female them, see them try make them deal with that. But you as my friend. Me no want to see you go to jail.
Me no want to go to jail.
Right now them a pray for carry a jail.
No, they can't do that.
No, me tell you why. They must say you are pray for now mind a son. You don't know how true that be. But me know say a man will love your son. So me feel like I lie them a tell. But me know you will say it in a moment, you know. Me don't agree no, but me know you tan. You see you take up my shit.
Me? My shit them I talk about? Them Them don't know what go on it, man.
But they don't know what go on, bro.
Them
Bro.
think about drama start yet. Drama not
Bongo.
start yet.
Bongo.
Yo.
Bongo.
Mm.
Jail no make feel.
Me not go to jail.
Bongo. Jail no make feel.
But if me go to jail, you can bail me.
Bongo.
You can bail me.
Bail but jail no make feel.
No make for me. I don't mean make for.
My sometimes I see someone I left them and I know say a baby, but I know say you have feelings and fear. But right now, me see Bongo, you look like a idiot. And nobody no want tell her. What me want tell her? If you take up my shit and run down, man. Post the chopping, post the drop and chop yourself.
I know some never really want to chop him, just want to conk him in the head. And that I mean, if anything happen, but
Alright. Post do the take up my shit and him have something better than my shit and just wheel out upon you.
I cover that, man. Him not have nothing like that, man. You can't see him face. Can't miss my woman so if you are coward still. But as me I say, I'm not make this bother me. Just know say the reason I come talk to you is because you want to hear what I want, but I'm not talking to nobody else. Me done the chatting. Yeah, me done the chatting.
Subscribe yet.
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end, yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. You know what I mean? So respect and manners, thanks for watch the movie to the entirety, the full, full length and all them something. So me I say, what I want to say, episode 2, tell me what to do. You know what I mean? It's up to you.
Forgive me. I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me. I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me. I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me. You know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Feeling so hurt, don't blame it on my guitar. Blame it on a terrible dream